pretty active in the show car world. $20,000 gets you this car, and someone spent a fortune on it. Underneath, the car is painted this orange, and it's just as shiny as the top. It's got chrome. You open the hood, you better have your sunglasses on. Trunk compartments, all custom speakers, custom interior. Matter of fact, the stereo is really something special, but it was an all-out, full-blown show car for $20,000. That's the way to buy them, all done. Go to volocars.com, check out all the pictures, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what we're going to post on there.